All right, let's go see what we have here. L100. First thing is central air. Let's see what we have here. One thing I'm going to like is this beautiful view of the pull-through sights. That's pretty nice. Look at this. Look at this beautiful view. A couple rockers out here. Table. Nice, very nice. Picnic table, grill. Hopefully there's propane because we are going to grill. And fire pit. We're going to have some fires. Looks nice from the outside. Yep. The word on the street is these have all been rehabbed recently. So let's go inside and let's see what we have here, folks. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Oh, it smells nice. So as we walk in, off to the left, fireplace, little couch, chair, TV, very nice. I love the vaulted ceiling. Table, chairs, kitchen, sink. Let's see what we have here. Kind of get used to where everything is, huh? So we have a microwave. It is not convection, so just a regular microwave. Gas stove, burner, all looks nice and clean. Sink. Okay, good. There's a little bit of dawn. So we can do dishes. Nothing here. Nothing here. What's on this side? Oh, empty. Okay. Just looking around. You guys are seeing what I'm seeing. We'll figure this out. Toaster oven. Utensils. Pots and pans, cups. Plastic cups. More pots and pans. Pots and pans. Lots of pots and pans. Utensils. Silverware. And they all look very clean. Yes, I do check. Being that I travel regularly, I do check these things. Everything is... Oh, this is spotless. It smells like Lysol. There is not... Jesus, cleaner than mine. At home. Beautiful. Bath. Let's see what we have in the bath. Well, see if I can do it without the fan on for you. Smaller bath, but functional. Linen or towels, washcloths, toilet paper, commode, shower. Very nice. Oh yeah, this is very nice. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Stand on the first floor here. King bed. Oh, this is nice. King bed. Dresser drawers, TV in here as well. Off the master is the master bath, which is very nice. Jacuzzi tub, commode, sink, and a corner shower. Laid out very, very nice. So yeah, 2 full baths. Wow, nice. Very nice. One thing I didn't mention is you do get toilet paper, bath bars, and shampoo all included. You do get all 3. Utility closet. Okay. Oh, there's a fan. Nice. I was looking for one. I'll tell them not to bring a fan, but it's nice and cool in here anyway. All right, let's go see what's upstairs here. Careful with the camera. I'm going to put the camera down here so I can use the stairs. So this is the loft area. Very nice. 2 beds. Very nice up here. So who's going to be up here, I'm wondering. And the view down there. Very nice. All right, well, here's a quick tour of L100. Just a little closet. Yeah, L100 tour. Well, thanks for sticking around if you're still here. More adventures to come this week.